Hello friends and my dear students. Today I Tarun sir wishing you all a very good morning. So this is for the first time I am with my students who would be sharing a few words that what have they learned here at Desire Career Point. I take care of the subject English and I am the director of Desire Career Point. My dear students, this video is not to promote my center and I don't require it actually. I am already associated with multiple brands. They had come for a class. These all are my grade 12 ISC students. I just thought of recording myself and these students. They would be sharing their experience with Tarun sir and they have been with me for the past 3 years. What have they learned? Because when it comes to my educational institution, believe me students, it's not only subject, it's not only the theory part of teaching. I train them regarding personality development. I counsel them at each and every step. So overall grooming and personality development where only at Desire Career Point. So I have taken the responsibility of these students that they will definitely achieve their goals. I am just a mediator. I counseled them. There is a reason behind this because at one point of time when I was pursuing my intermediate, believe me, I thought that I would only be playing cricket. Even after knowing that my budget and my family's budget won't support me, because there was no one to guide me. I'll not say that they have Tarun sir, but whatever I have seen in my recent past, I won't let this happen with them. I have already told them in case there are two ways. If you are very interested in studying, then after 12th, hit the bull's eye. If you are not that interested in studying, then enter into a job. Don't waste your parents' money like this. So I would again post my motivational video. Just give me a day, my dear students. I am very close to hit 1000 subscribers. And it's only because of you people. Thank you so much for your support. So I would like to invite my students one by one. Let's see what have they scored. What percentage have they scored in the recent past? What have they learned? Are they only learning Shakespearean language over here? Have they only come here to study English language, English grammar? Any teacher can do that. Any English teacher can do that. But when it comes to overall personality, let's see that what they got to say on this. So please students, you can share a few words. Any one of you? Yes, please.
Hello everyone. Tarun sir, our English teacher, is a very awesome man. I mean, he always guides us and has a very awesome personality. He always acts like a big brother and is very near to me. And talking about the Desire Career Point, it has given me a great experience and has performed to be an extended family to me. And I'm very grateful to Tarun sir who has been a mentor to me for around 3 years, because I was not very much good at English, but after learning from here, it has proved to be a boon to me, as I was not very much interested in English, but I really scored good marks in my board examination. So a lot of thanks to Tarun sir and all the best.
So thank you so much for these words. They mean a lot to me. So students, you heard one thing, that English literature and language obviously will help you in scoring good percentage. What about spoken English and all? These people involve themselves in spoken English and personality development lectures also. And I have few other students also today with me. They also have to share a few words. And like Guru Bakshish, these students also, they were least bothered about the subject English, because their parents used to discuss that, sir, he's not at all focusing towards English. How will he pass in that exam? And it's all about interest. I have seen that practical subjects, only practical subjects, a student moves out of his house only to join practical subjects coaching or institutions. And English is a major subject. It has become a compulsory subject. Yes, students, in case if you want to say something.
To be very honest, in class 9, I was just passed in English. As I got admission in this institute, I have scored 97 out of 100 in boards. So my marks only speak that I am good at English due to this institute.
Thank you so much, Hardik. Thank you so much. So you heard that it's just the atmosphere and scenario of this center. Yes, I am there. If I personally take my name, obviously I am there. And I would take care of the subject English. But it's all about interest. Yes, Div, in case if you want to share a few words.
Hello everyone. Tarun sir is not like a teacher. He always stands for everyone like a friend or like a family member. I am not here to study. I am here to live, to have fun with English. He does not make the subject English boring. He makes it interesting, and my marks were also very good in the boards. I scored 90 out of 100, and in the previous classes I just only passed in English. Only out of 80 I got only 40 or 45. So he is a really nice man, and I really appreciate his efforts and whatever he is doing.
Thank you so much. And see, this is what even I wanted to mention in this video. I would like to apply a break to my words now. There are many students who join the institutions, and then where they are lost in their own world, no one knows. They might never remember their teachers. But again on 19th of July, my dear students, there is a surprise for you all. On 19th of July, I would be disclosing that how students are connected with me. They are still connected with me. So, education should not be a profit-oriented industry anymore. This is why I recorded this session. Fees should be a second criteria and priority. What a child needs, actually, what is his requirement, one will have to understand. So stay connected. You can subscribe my channel in the name of English by Tarun Sir, and see you live very soon. God bless you all. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Wow, 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 beta, wow.